First thing first, you want to look at the keyword trend, okay? Now we are at googletrends.com. So here I'm going to type in the keyword, okay? So let's just say dog food and hit the explore, okay? Now it's going to take me to the analytics. Now we want to take this to the 12 months. Now understand this, guys. If the trend is consistent, that means you have a good possibility to rank. Now what this tells is that for the past 12 months that the trend is consistent, okay, which means we can write on it, we can focus on this topic, and it is good thing to focus on, okay? Now we don't want a seasonal trends. Now one good example for seasonal trends is Valentine's, and hit enter, and you can see only January and February it has spiked, and the rest of the months it doesn't have the consistent traffic, okay? And then the January 2025, because next month is Feb. Now it is trending upwards. Now we don't want these kind of keywords, because what's the matter writing articles for just one particular time and not ranking the particular time, okay? So just like this, we want to find trends. So if you have a keyword in mind, so let's just say best laptop for gaming and hit enter, and you should able to see the consistent trend. Look at this right now, it's the past 12 months. You can select the country, whatever you want. You can also select the YouTube search, but doesn't matter. We want the keyword to be consistent, okay? We don't want seasonal keywords, okay? It doesn't matter. All these analytics, it doesn't matter. We don't want to care about. Only thing we want to care about is this graph. This graph tells you that whether you're gonna profit from the keyword or not. So this is an essential, fundamental, basic, fundamental first step to focus on when it comes to SEO, okay, search engine optimization, okay.